literally need all the brake. Yeah, what do we have here? Now we got a Home Depot orange bucket. We got what looks like to be some copper pipe sitting inside my vise. Some reason it doesn't look like my computer's here, and it looks like there's some staining. Got some solder, pipe cutter, some pipe cleaning devices, some steel wool, some sandpaper. We got some old pipe. So, what the heck is going on here? Computer's sitting over here doing nothing. Can't do any videos. What's going on? Well, sometimes you gotta take that hat and you gotta take that hat off and turn that hat right around and become a plumber. Just a regular plumber. So anyways, over the weekend, apparently, decided to have a little bit of an issue with this pipe right here. So what I did is I just ended up slicing it right there. Fingers in the way. Sliced it right there. It does have a little relief valve right there. Shut the water off and just basically emptied the water that was in the upstairs. So basically first and second floor. And then I soldered in a 2 straights and 2 elbows with a slip joint. And yeah, we're good to go. So all I got to do now is just take like a wet rag, and you don't want to do is you don't want to have like that flux sitting on, you know, the pipe itself, because believe it or not, the flux actually causes corrosion. So I'm going to clean that off. We'll be all set. And then maybe I can open up a couple of packages that I actually did take with me to New Hampshire. So I don't know if you knew, a couple of people have been wondering. I did go away to New Hampshire for the weekend, for that nice long weekend with my wife. And no, I didn't take any RCs, which at probably 2 points, I probably did kind of like have that, you know, regret that I didn't take any RCs with me. But yeah, so we got a couple of things that came in the mail. And as a matter of fact, why don't I do a what's in the box / what's in the bag right now from RC Guy Garage. So yeah, you know, sometimes you gotta, you know, walk away from the RC stuff and pretend you're a plumber. So let's just get into the video. All right. So this is what I've got. This is what I took with me. I'm going to set you up right over here on the table. And we'll see what's inside that bag. I don't know. Don't forget to enjoy yourselves every once in a while. Go ahead and have yourself a nice iced tea. Because I can hit the spot. So here we go. Inside the black bag, there's obviously some addresses and stuff that I'll keep private. I did open this, and it came a couple of days before I left. And I left it in the package because the assumption was I was going to do a live what's in the bag when I went away to New Hampshire, but it just didn't work out. Got another package here, right here. This is actually from Island Hobby Hut. Got another package right here. And this is from Alien Tack. And then we got this box right here, which this is from Game Changer RC. This came. So apparently I had two deliveries from FedEx while I was away. And they weren't even supposed to come until today anyway, so I have no idea. All right, so we'll do this one first, right here. This is from Game Changer RC. So let's see, what do we got in here? Now, I'll tell you right now, one thing about Game Changers, he definitely knows how to... Oh, yeah! Dude! Holy smokes! It's a triple! Oh, yeah! So this is the famous Straight America from RC Guy Garage. He wired and hooked up 3 fans. Obviously, you got the Game Changer sticker on the bottom there. He's working on doing a little bit better sticker on there. But there we go. There's our Game Changer triple shot of the red, white, and blue. They call it Straight America, baby. And then we've got these goodies right here, which are going to help cool down a certain vehicle that, that I've already got. And this is done in his chrome finish. And these things look stinking insane. Let's just pop one of these out of the package here. Look at that. So he's got the grill covers glued right on. That is nice. Look at that. Oh, that thing is a thing of beauty. So we got 2 of those. Love it, love it, love it. This is Game Changer RC, man. These are definitely the fans to go with. These push some serious air. Now, he recommends running these fans on 2 to 3S. However, you know, this is RC Guy Garage here. So we run our fans on 4S. And I'm not telling you to run your fans on 4S because you got to do what the seller tells you, or the manufacturer tells you, and Game Changer says to run these on 2 to 3S. But I've already done 4S, and for me, 4S seems to work. Give me some zippy ties. And that's a riot. Dude, check this out. He actually gave me gloves. Wow, these are actually high quality. What? Oh, wow, dude. These are a high quality glove. You can tell by the thickness. A little hard to get my sausage fingers in there. I'll probably have to put some, I don't know what size these are. But yeah, these are a nice high quality glove. I got sausage fingers, so my hands don't usually fit inside, you know, gloves. You know, you've got that glove situation happening where the gloves just don't fit. But yeah, there we go. So Game Changer RC, couple of fans. And then in this bag right here, yeah, check it out. Now, I had seen a video, and Earl and I actually bought these like literally the same day. Unfortunately, mine came 2 days into me leaving, and I just didn't see any point in opening it up because I knew he was going to anyway. So, but if you want to go see a video on the Sky RC GNS, the Performance Analyzer, go check out his video. What I'm going to do, though, is I'm going to do a separate video opening this bad boy up and installing an app on a phone and take you through the steps that I have actually never been through. So we got the GPS, and in this bag right here, I can't even remember what. I know there's gears or something in one of these bags. Oh, wait a minute. These might be the pinions. Oh, yeah. So, right there from Alien Tack is where I'm getting my gears from. So if you need to get some gears, go ahead and scan that little code right there if you can read it. But I decided to go ahead and get my gears through them just to see if they're a good quality. So we've got a 25, 29. I got two 25s. Whoops. Did I really get two 25s? Oh, that would be dumb. A 28, 24, 30, and a 26. So we got some gears, some pinion gears for some specific situations. And we got this bag right here. Let's see what's in here. And inside this bag, what's funny is I really don't remember what's inside this bag. Oh! Yeah, now I remember. Fast Eddie bearings, man. So these are the ceramic bearings for the Infraction 6S BLX. So it's a ceramic sealed bearing. And yes, that is the price. But the Island Hobby Hut stickers are actually kind of pretty cool. So anyways, that was that. And again, still waiting on 2 packages from FedEx today. And as soon as they show up, we'll do a, I don't know, maybe we'll do a live what's in the box. I don't even know. But I'm back. So anyways, thanks for watching this episode from RC Guy Garage. Like I always tell you, just point blank, get out there and rip it. Alright, so now what I'll do is I'll come into the bathroom. Well, come into the bathroom, we'll purge the air. Nice, look at that, huh? No discoloration. I guess we got alright water here. Wow, I literally need all the brake. Oh my god. Oh, and look what happened. Oh my god.